I'm going to be making a Philly cheesesteak meatloaf. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil here. You can use any cooking oil you want. Heat it up over medium heat in a skillet. You're going to put in 1 small diced onion, half of a green pepper diced, 4 ounces of mushrooms, dice them. You're going to cook these just until they're tender, about 5 minutes. I'm going to add a little salt on them, not much. The salt's going to go into the meatloaf too. Now you're going to put a teaspoon of minced garlic in there. If you're going to use fresh garlic, that'll be 1 clove minced. Cook that about half a minute, just till it's fragrant. Turn the burner off, and we're going to go back to the other side and assemble the meatloaf. Now you're going to need a pound of ground beef. I suggest a low-fat one. I got the 80-20 here. I need 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Are we still not saying it right? 1 tablespoon of ketchup, any ketchup that you like. 1 egg. I got a large egg here. Mix that in. You have to use your hands with this. You don't want to get your hand in the meat. You wear some gloves. My hands are clean. Now you're going to bring the peppers, onions, garlic, and mushrooms over that you cooked and put those inside. You just want to cook them until they're a little soft. Mix those in. You want to let them cool off a little bit because you surely don't want to put your hands in hot food. Just mix in very good. Get this mixed in well. While you're doing this, have your oven preheating at 350 degrees. Bring you a baking dish over. Put half of this meat mixture in your pan. Pre-spray your pan lightly with cooking spray or just oil it. You don't have cooking spray where you live. Make it into a loaf. Or you can use a loaf pan for this if you want. I just prefer to cook it like this. Get you some sliced provolone cheese. If you can't find slices, then you can just buy the block of provolone and slice it. Put your 2 slices in the middle. Add the other half of the meat on top here. Push that down over that, and then you want to seal it around the edges so the cheese doesn't melt out. I have made a meatloaf similar to this. It has cheddar cheese in that, and you have to seal it in. I will link that video at the end of this video. Now I'm pinching the edges. That's how you do that. Now you're going to put it in a preheated 350 degree Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven until cooked through, about 50 to 60 minutes, until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit on your meat thermometer. Check and see if it's done. Yes, it's done. Have your oven on broil. Then you're going to put 2 more slices of provolone cheese on top. You're going to put it back in the oven on broil for about 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. It just came out of the oven. There's some liquid at the bottom. I'm going to take some of it out. I took it out of the dish and put it onto a platter. I'm going to let it set for a few minutes and then I'm going to come back and try it for you. I'm going to try it for you. Let's cut it down the middle to see what it looks like inside. You can see the cheese in there. If you don't like mushrooms, you don't have to add mushrooms to this. The recipe calls for it. You can see the cheese right there in the middle. I made some creamed corn and some mashed potatoes with this. That's really good, and it's moist too. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.